chicken wrapped with turkey bacon. Call it barbecued fried chicken. Call it what you may. Would you dare try this? I have another video on my channel. Wait and check this out. Fried chicken wrapped in turkey bacon. To get some barbecue fried chicken but done a different way. So guys, if you want to see how I fried my chicken, you can check out my chicken playlist on YouTube to see how I fry my chicken. I fried some turkey bacon because I'll be making some Barbie fried chicken from this fried chicken in my oven. Quick and easy video. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So I made some barbecue sauce with honey barbecue sauce and a little hot sauce, and I'll be using some toothpicks to wrap the bacon around my drumsticks. Once done, I'll be adding sauce onto them. Then I'll be adding in my oven to get some color for at least a 20 minutes max. Listen, I have a video on my YouTube channel in my playlist on how I do my Barbie fried chicken from start to finish. I showed you how I fried my chicken, how I wrap them, how I add them in the oven. Listen, you can use this as hors d'oeuvres. You can use this as a quick and easy meal in the week. Feel free to season your chicken how you like it because that's your business. I season mine how I want to because that's a girl business. But listen, wait to the end to see these wraps. Listen, my kids love this type of chicken. They requested it. It's a high request on their thing. I didn't want to take you through how I fry the chicken because I think I have sufficient fried chicken video out there that has not got no love or support from you guys. Welcome guys. Please, there are some little ads coming up on my videos. Please just watch them. You can leave the video running in the background if you really don't care about my cooking but you've subscribed to my channel. Feel free to drop a comment, share, like, and let me know if you've experimented or tried any of the recipes that I've tried. Giving you lots of recipes on my channel. Your girl working really hard. Here I'm adding my barbecue sauce, and sorry, I got distracted and forgot to turn my camera to show you, but you should know how to add your barbecue sauce to your chicken. Any at all? That was what I did, and this is what it looks like. Ready to put it in the oven. It looks like you can already eat it. Yes, your girl got skills, your girl got talent. You better book me for your event. Yes, and I charge you a lot of money. Just joking. Anyways, guys, back to the video, giving you a little humor. I hope your day is going splendid when you see this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and as I told you before, I'll be adding this in my oven, which I did. There I show you. I'm not lying, showing you most of the process. And listen, this tastes just like Jamaican style. Sweet barbecue chicken. Look at them chicken thighs. Look at this. This is the outcome. This is the final production from Shellstein Kitchen. Yes, Jamaican style cooking. Chicken done a different style and a different way. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to watch the little short ads. It helps your girl. That's all you're doing, using your fingers and your eyes. Love you all. Thank you for the support. This can be Sunday dinner, even dinner in the week if you have the time on hand, because this is very time consuming. See you all again in another video. Thank you.